Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Steve and you're watching Rambeast Projects. I might have the fix for Nate's truck. We thought that he needed a relay harness, which he probably could have needed a relay harness, but we're not absolutely positively sure. But we have a replacement ballast for him that we're going to install today. I have a question for you guys. I'm in a little bit of a dilemma with what to do next with the beast. Do I go to 8 inches of lift with 40-inch tires, or do I upgrade to forged wheels, or do I do a gear swap? All different options that I can possibly do within the next month or two. Let me know your thoughts. Comment below. Let me know what you think I should do next. 8-inch lift with 40-inch tires, or forged wheels, or a gear swap. Let me know what you guys want to see. Right now we're off to 10-8 and it's freezing here. Freezing. This is what we got, guys. We got new license plate replacement bulbs, LED upgrades, and this new ballast that we're going to be replacing. And hopefully this will resolve Nate's headlight issue. So now it's official. No more yellow lights, as my wife would say.
Yellow lights kill brain cells.
What are you guys working on today?
Cop cars.
What kind? What do we got?
Ford police utility. It's gonna be a slick top.
What do you got going on here? Alright guys, well I think we're done here at 10-8 today. Unfortunately, there's nothing else fun to do here. These guys are probably going to wrap up here soon for the day, and let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing more police packages, upfittings, and stuff like that. We can throw that in some videos here and there too. Let me know if this video is really dark, because I'm learning how to use the actual settings in my camera. I've had this camera for almost a year now, and I'm just starting to play with the settings because I don't know what I'm doing. We're back home and we're getting ready to leave again to ship out these shocks that one of my Instagram followers purchased. So if you're not following us on Instagram, make sure you check us out, Rambeast Projects. And don't forget that we are giving away a free HID or LED low beam kit from Headlight Revolution once we hit 5K. All you have to do is subscribe to Rambeast Projects, follow Headlight Revolution on Instagram, and follow Rambeast Projects on Instagram. Once we get closer to 5K, we're gonna actually do a video and announce what you have to do in that video so we can confirm that you have subscribed and followed. You're gonna be on the vlog, bud.
Okay.
How you doing? Well, that's shipped, and he should have it probably in a day or two. And if you guys ever want to send us something, our P.O. Box will be right here. It's P.O. Box 270, Wagontown, Pennsylvania, 19376. Meeting the missus for lunch at Limoncella's in Chester Springs. And there's one in Westchester as well. If you guys never been to Limoncella's and you're in the area, you guys have to check this place out. They have really good food. We got some new decals. Be live on the site. Pretty damn cool. The wife designed them herself. The guy that makes my decals, his name's Rick, has a GoFundMe site set up for Chester County law enforcement canines. Basically, he's trying to collect money to supply canines, police canines, with body armor. I'll have all of his information in the description below, the website, the GoFundMe link, and all that. If you guys have an opportunity, or if you have any extra money, it's for a good cause. Check it out. I'm in support of it. My department doesn't necessarily have a canine, but I know a lot of canine officers throughout the county, and their dogs would benefit from having this body armor. This is his flyer that he has. And all the information, again, will be in the description below. And I always have important information in the description, so you guys got to always check that out. There's special discount codes in there. Headlight Revolution, there's a discount code in there. And we may be increasing that to possibly 20% on occasion. So you guys got to keep checking that out, especially if you're in a market to upgrade the lighting on your vehicles. They have actual LED bars, they sell grills, they sell a lot of stuff, but they also make vehicle specific stuff too, which makes your life so much easier. When you go to the website, you click on it, it tells you the exact bulb that you need for the replacement. So check them out. Always check out the description. The wife will be here shortly and we're gonna go eat. Here she comes. She hasn't seen her decal design yet, so I want to show her real quick before we go in to eat. So what do you think?
Ooh,
You like?
I do like it. I'm a god poop genius. Oh, I like it a lot.
It's pretty cool. I almost think we need to make it bigger.
Yeah.
That definitely needs to be made into a shirt.
A shirt, and I think key tag.
Oh yeah, I forgot about key tags.
Definitely the key tag.
Yeah. You hungry?
I am.
Let's go in to eat.
Let's do it.
3 hours later.
We're waiting for the girls to get off the bus, and we're going to review the report cards now.
All right.
So who are we doing first?
Starting with the older one, our
Okay.
5th grader. In personal and social growth, she has a 4, which is exceeding goals. And that is up from last marking period where she got a 3, developing appropriately.
Okay.
In effort and study skills, she got a 4, exceeding goals. She got the same thing last marking period. And this time she got plus marks for attending to tasks, listening and following directions, participating in class, and apply learning. In religion, she has a 96, up from a 95. In reading, she has a 99 with plus marks in comprehension, fluency, and vocabulary. She had a 99 last marking period. This marking period, she's got a 91 in writing. Last marking period, she had a 92, but she still has a plus mark for language, mechanics, and spelling. And in honors mathematics, she had a 92 last marking period, and this marking period, she has a 96.
Wow.
God, she's smart. She got plus marks in computation, mathematical reasoning, and problem-solving skills. In social studies, she went from a 90 to a 95. And in science, she went from a 94 to a 96. So her grade point average last semester was a 93.69. And this time she has a 95.69.
Wow. I guess she deserves a treat tonight, huh?
Yeah. A-star.
She's killing it. The little one.
Now hers, she's in 1st grade, and their grades are set up a little differently. They don't get percentages like the older grades. Personal and social growth, she got a 3, which is developing appropriately. In effort and study skills, she got a 3, developing appropriately. In religion, she got a VG, which stands for regularly produces work of high quality and applies learned skills, and she's actually up in that. Last marking period, she got a frequently produces quality work and applies learned skills. In reading, she got a VG, regularly produces work of high quality and applies learned skills, with a plus mark in comprehension and vocabulary. In writing, she got an O for outstanding, or no.
Are you crying?
No, I'm choking on my medicine.
She cries sometimes.
Excuse
She's
me.
very emotional.
Choking on my B12. Right. An O for consistently produces work of high quality and applies learned skill, with a plus mark in language, mechanics, and spelling. She's a pretty good speller, like her sister, who, by the way, won the spelling bee for 5th grade in the entire school district. Not just her school, the entire school district.
And didn't she win it before? She won it in
3rd grade.
She won it in 3rd grade too.
Yeah, so little one has big shoes to fill. In listening and speaking, she got a regularly produces work of high quality. And in mathematics, she got a VG, regularly produces work of high quality and applied learning skills. And in writing, handwriting, she got an O, consistently produces work of high quality and applies learned skills, with a plus mark in, computation and problem solving skills. So all in all, both girls basically got straight A report cards.
All right, well, I guess they deserve to be taken out to dinner and
Those are so good.
and a treat too. Then we're gonna go bowling. I haven't been bowling since like grade school. This should be interesting. I think we're gonna bring the camera along too, just to film some of it, because it's gonna be hilarious.
I'm so gonna win.
I don't even care. I'm just gonna be happy if I get the ball down and knock at least a couple pins, and then I'll be good. I'm proud of them.
Me too. They take after me. They totally take after me. I was good in school. I didn't bag school. I didn't hang out behind the shed until my mom and dad left for work, and then, you know, go back inside. I went to school every day. Honor roll, honor society.
I don't know what she's talking about. I was in honors English.
Oh.
I was.
Aw, congratulations.
I did good. I was good at English. Horrible at math, but really good at English.
I did good until I went to college. First semester of college, I got kicked out.
She was a train wreck. She was that girl.
I learned
She was that girl.
a lot of life lessons that year. A lot of life lessons. And I have no regrets.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I don't have any regrets, because everything that I did made me a better, stronger, and more better person.
Okay.
A better, stronger, more better person.
I have some life regrets, but I have a great life now. And I'm very happy.
Aww,
I'm very happy
glad I could
with
do
my
that to
life, my family. And yeah, she does have a lot to do with it.
you. That's right.
This one right here.
Yeah, me and our girls that I made so smart. Oh, that's right. It was dress down day. I forgot. What's up, Leprechaun?
What's up?
What's going on?
Not much.
Everybody have a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We reviewed your report cards.
Oh boy.
Yeah, we're not too happy. We had all kinds of fun stuff planned today.
But they were just going to go back home.
Yeah, we're just gonna go back home.
One of you did good, one of you not so good.
Yep.
So who do you think didn't do so good?
Yeah, it's dead silence in here.
You actually both got A report cards.
Yeah, you guys killed it. You guys
Good job,
did really
guys.
good. You improved from the last semester.
Yeah, everybody went up.
Outstanding. We are gonna go to round 1 to do a little bit of bowling. How's that sound? You wanna go bowling? Yeah, wanna go bowling? It's legit. Get ready to go down. We're at round 1 and we're bowling.
I'm going to go get a ramp.
Ram? Girls excited?
Oh yeah.
I have a bowling game on my phone. I'm getting ready to kill it. You ready?
Oh, got her! You'll feel bad. My first one was a gutter too. Are you serious? Are you serious? Good work.
Girls, who is better, me or Daddy?
I'm gonna have to go with Mom.
Who's better, me or Daddy?
Me.
I won. I don't want to brag or anything, but I'm bragging. Look at that.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
If you're stopping by for the first time,
Subscribe. And if you like this video, please like.
Don't forget to check out all the important information in the description below. And we'll see you at the next upload. Love you.